The checkout opens on top of the register cart. It is where every sale becomes money in the drawer. Okay. Tap the green Charge button at the bottom of the cart to open the full-screen checkout. Cash is selected by default and the amount input is auto-focused. Use the on-screen numpad to type or tap a quick amount badge. Cash is always the first chip in the method row. Tap Exact to fill the amount with the remaining balance. Type a larger amount on the numpad to see live change for cash. Tap Add Cash Payment to commit the entry. Each method has its own commit chip, so one tap records the typed amount as that method. To split across methods, commit another payment with a different method's chip. To take a deposit now and collect the balance later, tap Pay Partial when the committed amount does not cover the order. Tap Charge to finalize the sale. The success screen shows the receipt number, points earned, and any change due to the customer. Heads up, charging a sale needs the Use Register permission, held by all 4 default roles. Applying discounts and coupons at the register is gated by the Apply Discounts permission, also held by all 4 default roles by default.